This right here is a CPAP machine, and it's something that millions of people around the world use for a condition called sleep apnea. See, when you sleep, the muscles in the back of your throat relax, which for many people causes your throat to vibrate, which is the cause for snoring. But for some people, the airway closes so much that no air can get to the lungs, which is the cause of sleep apnea. This causes them to wake up repeatedly throughout the night, never getting a restful sleep, which is not only terrible for your quality of life, but also has severe implications in your health, increasing the risk of stroke, heart disease, and more. And CPAP is the top therapy and it works, but the biggest thing is the CPAP mask, which is on your face itself, is uncomfortable. Half of CPAP users quit within a year due to discomfort, right? Through this leaks and stuff like this, which is terrible because this therapy does work and it's crucial for people who do have sleep apnea. And the reason this is because of these companies. They create this one-size-fits-all model that's supposed to fit everyone, but everyone's unique, right? As you can see online, quick search, you can see everyone hates it. Most people hate it, right? My dad went through this process, so I saw firsthand how tedious this process is. It was around the same time I had a friend who was interning at a pulmonology clinic, and he was telling me the same stories about patients trying multiple masks, but never really finding the correct one. Sometimes even giving up. It was at this point that we decided to change the market. So we created DreamSeal, a better way to sleep through hyper-personalized custom masks, all from the comfort of your home. The current CPAP market is dominated by these big titans who are not innovating fast enough to provide relief to the CPAP patients who need it. Although there are solutions which you can scan your face with a phone and that gives you mask recommendations, and then there's other solutions which sell these expensive machines which you have to go to the clinics and scan your face in, and then after a couple months you get a mask. There is nothing that combines the two and creates a streamlined process, which we want to do. But how? So we're going to be combining two powerful technologies to be able to create these millimeter precise masks. First, we're using Google's MediaPipe framework, which uses machine learning to map 478 facial landmarks on a user's face. Next, we're going to be combining that with the True Depth camera on the iPhone. This is the same technology that Apple uses for facial ID recognition. It projects about 30,000 infrared dots on your face, providing extremely accurate depth measurements. Combining these two, we create these extremely accurate XYZ coordinates, which, using a Python library called CAD Query, we can transform this mesh cloud into a printable mask, a 3D printable mask, which we are doing with that 3D printer back there. Also, patients replace their masks every 3 to 4 months. And our approach allows it so that every time they go to order a new mask, they can scan their face in the app again in under a minute. This allows us to make any changes or adaptations as obviously we change. And also, it provides us for any feedback given to change a mask like that. So it gets better and better and better and better and more comfortable over time. For the app itself, we're using React Native, and specifically we're using a library called React Native Vision Camera, which allows us to analyze each frame, and we're using a custom frame processor which uses native Swift code to be able to access these native iOS technologies of true depth. For the backend, we're just using Flask and a MongoDB database which uses NoSQL, which is perfect for the 3D model. We've also made a website using Angular and Firebase where users can contact us with any questions, concerns, or feedback, and also sign up for our waitlist. We are already in talks with a pulmonology clinic and to be able to be testing our masks. So the 3D printer back there is great for prototyping, but we cannot use it because it's not medically approved. And the medically FDA approved printers are expensive. So we're looking for funding right now, applying to different competitions. And as soon as we get that funding, we're going to be testing it with the pulmonology clinic. I'm really excited for where this project goes. We hope to not only improve the lives of all the CPAP users right now, but also for the people who are undiagnosed, to spread awareness to them, for the people who might not be using CPAP masks right now because they're uncomfortable, to recruit all of them and provide them the luxury to have this mask and improve the lives of millions. Thank you so much.